Imagine a place where towering redwoods whisper secrets to the sea, where Victorian villages perch on rugged cliffs, and where the mist rolls in like a ghostly curtain at dusk. Picture a coastline so wild and untamed that it seems to have been plucked from the pages of a fantasy novel. Welcome to a hidden gem on the California coast, where nature's grandeur meets small-town charm in a dance as old as time itself. This enchanted stretch of coastline has been home to the Pomo people for thousands of years. They lived in harmony with the land, harvesting abalone and crafting intricate baskets. In the 1850s, the area was discovered by settlers who were drawn by the abundant redwoods. Logging became the lifeblood of the region, and quaint towns sprang up to support the industry. As the trees dwindled, a new era dawned. Artists and free spirits flocked here in the 1960s, drawn by the raw beauty and isolation. Today, this coastal haven stands as a testament to the delicate balance between preservation and progress, where the echoes of the past blend seamlessly with the present. But what makes this place truly special? Is it the rugged beauty of the coastline, the charming Victorian architecture, or the sense of stepping back in time? Prepare to be amazed as we unveil the secrets of California's most enchanting coastal retreat. Welcome to the Mendocino Coast, a 90-mile stretch of California shoreline that will take your breath away. At its heart lies the village of Mendocino, perched on headlands above the Pacific. Its Victorian architecture so picturesque, it's been used as a stand-in for New England in countless films and TV shows. But here's something many people don't know. Mendocino is home to the only oceanfront botanical gardens in the United States. The Mendocino Coast Botanical Gardens offers 47 acres of stunning blooms set against the backdrop of the Pacific Ocean. For nature lovers, the nearby Van Dam State Park is a must-visit. Here, you can kayak through sea caves, hike through fern-covered canyons, and even take a ride on the historic skunk train through towering redwoods. Did you know that the Mendocino Coast is one of the best places in the world to watch for migrating gray whales? From December to April, you can spot these majestic creatures from shore or join a whale watching tour for an up-close encounter. Another lesser-known fact is that the region is home to the world's largest remaining old-growth coastal redwood forest. Just a short drive inland, Montgomery Woods State Natural Reserve offers a chance to walk among giants, some over 1,000 years old. For a unique experience, visit during the Mendocino Music Festival in July. Imagine listening to world-class performances in a tent perched on the edge of the Pacific. It's a sensory experience like no other. Now, here's a point that might spark some debate. The Mendocino Coast has long been known for its cannabis cultivation, predating California's legalization. Some argue this green economy has been vital to the region's survival, while others worry about its impact on the area's character. What do you think? How should communities balance traditional industries with emerging ones? The Mendocino Coast stretches for about 90 miles along California's northern coast, roughly 150 miles north of San Francisco. The town of Mendocino is located about halfway along this stretch. Visit during shoulder seasons, spring or fall, for milder weather and fewer crowds. Bring layers, as coastal weather can be unpredictable. Book accommodations in advance, especially during summer. Don't miss the opportunity to try local wines and fresh seafood. Always respect the power of the ocean and be cautious on coastal trails. The Mendocino Coast isn't just a destination. It's a journey through nature's grandeur, small-town charm, and rich history. Whether you're seeking outdoor adventures, artistic inspiration, or simply a place to unwind and reconnect with nature, Mendocino offers an experience that will stay with you long after you've left its misty shores. So pack your sense of wonder and prepare to be enchanted by the magic of the Mendocino Coast. Imagine a place where the mist-shrouded peaks of ancient mountains touch the sky, where black bears roam freely through lush forests, and where a ribbon of road winds its way through some of the most breathtaking scenery in America. Picture a destination where you can stand atop rocky outcrops and gaze out over a sea of green that stretches to the horizon. Welcome to a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Virginia, where nature's grandeur meets American history. This majestic landscape has been home to humans for over 8,000 years. The Monacan and Manahoac tribes once hunted these forests and fished in its crystal-clear streams. European settlers arrived in the 18th century, carving out a hardscrabble existence in the shadow of the mountains. But it wasn't until the 1930s, during the Great Depression, that this area truly transformed. As part of President Roosevelt's New Deal, the Civilian Conservation Corps built a scenic highway that would become the park's central feature, forever changing how Americans experience their natural heritage. But what makes this place truly special? Is it the endless vistas of the Blue Ridge Mountains, the diverse wildlife, or the remnants of Appalachian culture still visible in its hollows and hills? Prepare to be amazed as we unveil the secrets of America's most scenic mountain drive. Welcome to Shenandoah National Park, a 200,000-acre wonderland that showcases the best of the Blue Ridge Mountains. At its heart lies Skyline Drive, a 105-mile road that winds along the crest of the mountains, offering over 75 scenic overlooks that will take your breath away. But here's something many people don't know. Shenandoah is one of the best places in the eastern United States to observe the night sky. The park has been designated as an International Dark Sky Park, offering stargazers unparalleled views of the Milky Way on clear nights. For hikers, the park is a paradise with over 500 miles of trails, including a 101-mile section of the famous Appalachian Trail. One of the most popular hikes is Old Rag Mountain, a challenging 9-mile circuit that rewards climbers with 360-degree views of the Shenandoah Valley. Did you know that Shenandoah is home to one of the highest concentrations of black bears in the United States? While this might sound alarming, bear attacks are extremely rare, and seeing one of these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat can be the highlight of your visit. Another lesser-known fact is that the park is a testament to nature's resilience. Much of the land was once cleared for farming and logging, but since the park's establishment in 1935, the forest has reclaimed the land, creating the lush wilderness we see today. For a unique experience, visit during the fall when the park explodes in a riot of reds, oranges, and golds during the annual leaf peeping season. It's a spectacle that draws visitors from around the world. Now, here's a point that might spark some debate. The creation of Shenandoah National Park involved the controversial displacement of hundreds of mountain families from their homes. Some argue this was necessary for conservation, while others see it as a dark chapter in the park's history. What do you think? How should we balance human rights with environmental preservation? Shenandoah National Park is located in the Blue Ridge Mountains of Central Virginia, just 75 miles from Washington, D.C. It's easily accessible from several major cities in the eastern United States. Visit during weekdays or shoulder seasons to avoid crowds. Start your journey early to maximize daylight hours. Bring layers as mountain weather can be unpredictable. Don't miss Skyland Resort for its historic charm and panoramic views. Always practice leave no trace principles to preserve the park's beauty. Shenandoah National Park isn't just a destination. It's a journey through America's natural and cultural heritage. Whether you're seeking outdoor adventures, serene natural beauty, or simply a break from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, Shenandoah offers an experience that will rejuvenate your spirit and leave you in awe of nature's wonders. So pack your sense of adventure and prepare to be captivated by the magic of Shenandoah. Imagine a place where ancient spirits whisper through towering sandstone canyons, where a horseshoe-shaped bend in a mighty river defies belief, and where a vast lake mirrors the endless blue sky. Picture a town born from the audacious dream of taming a wild river, now standing as a gateway to some of the most breathtaking natural wonders in the American Southwest. Welcome to a hidden gem in northern Arizona, where adventure and beauty await at every turn. This young town, one of the newest in America, sprang to life in 1957 as a housing camp for workers building a colossal dam. Named after John C. Page, a Bureau of Reclamation commissioner, it quickly transformed from a collection of temporary homes and dusty roads into a thriving community. But long before the first concrete was poured, this land was home to the Navajo people, whose rich culture still infuses the region. The creation of Lake Powell in 1963 forever changed the landscape, submerging canyons and creating a playground for water enthusiasts. Today, this town stands as a testament to human ingenuity and nature's raw power, a place where modern ambitions and ancient traditions coexist in delicate balance. But what treasures await the intrepid traveler in this desert oasis? Is it the labyrinthine slot canyons, the emerald waters of a man-made lake, or perhaps the iconic view that's graced countless Instagram feeds? Prepare to be amazed as we unveil the secrets of America's most surprising adventure hub. Welcome to Page, Arizona, a small town that punches far above its weight in natural wonders. At the heart of its allure is the mesmerizing Horseshoe Bend, where the Colorado River makes a 270-degree turn, carving a horseshoe-shaped canyon that will leave you speechless. But here's something many don't know. The best time to visit is at sunrise, when the first light paints the canyon walls in a palette of reds and golds, and you'll have this wonder almost to yourself. Just a stone's throw away lies the otherworldly beauty of Antelope Canyon. Split into upper and lower sections, these slot canyons offer a mesmerizing play of light and shadow on twisting sandstone walls. But did you know that Antelope Canyon is actually on Navajo land and can only be visited with a Navajo guide? This not only ensures the preservation of this natural wonder, but also provides visitors with rich cultural insights. Lake Powell, the second largest man-made reservoir in the United States, offers endless opportunities for adventure. From houseboating to kayaking, the lake's 1,960 miles of shoreline are a playground for water enthusiasts. A lesser-known fact: Lake Powell is home to over 90 side canyons, many of which can only be accessed by boat, offering intrepid explorers a chance to discover their own private beach or hidden waterfall. For those seeking a unique experience, the nearby New Wave Trail offers a less crowded alternative to the famous wave formation in Arizona. This hidden gem features similar swirling sandstone patterns and doesn't require the highly competitive permit system of its more famous counterpart. Now, here's a point that might spark some debate. The creation of Glen Canyon Dam and Lake Powell has been a contentious issue since its inception. While it provides water and power to millions, some argue it has forever altered the natural ecosystem. What do you think? Can we balance human needs with environmental preservation? Page is located in northern Arizona, near the Utah border, about 130 miles north of Flagstaff. It's easily accessible by car and serves as an ideal base for exploring the surrounding attractions. Visit during shoulder seasons, spring or fall, for milder weather and fewer crowds. Book Antelope Canyon tours in advance. Bring plenty of water and sun protection. Consider renting a houseboat for a unique Lake Powell experience. Always respect Navajo land and customs when visiting sacred sites. Page, Arizona isn't just a destination. It's a gateway to adventure, natural beauty, and cultural discovery. Whether you're seeking outdoor thrills, photographic wonders, or simply a place to marvel at nature's artistry, Page offers an experience that will stay with you long after you've left its red rock vistas behind. So pack your sense of wonder and prepare to be amazed by the magic of Page, Arizona.